Okay guys, this is Arman. Um, my next lesson is regarding syntax. Listen carefully to all my viewers. This is a very important thing that I can share in your family, especially if your sons or daughters, they love computers courses. This is the most and very important to learn the syntax. No? If you did not learn syntax in computer, you will feel it boring in the school. No? But if you know the syntax, you can teach your teacher. Okay, so our lesson for today is about syntax. So you can visit my website, thearmantutorial.wordpress.com, and as you can see on that website, this one, okay, you type in you visit my blog, armantutorial.wordpress.com, and once you visit this site, you can see find the truth behind this page. What is syntax? Your computer is your teacher. Once you know how to read syntax, and once the program is loaded, there are helps. There's a lot of helps, and you can learn. Men are called, but few are chosen. Yeah, it's true, because a lot of students they are not aware about syntax. In the first day in school, every school should teach syntax first in the student. Okay? You will not grow in a computer if you do not know syntax. Okay. Click this page. This is my old MS-DOS book that I read. But once you skip this page, you will not learn the half of the book. No? As you can see, in syntax, you have to study a structure, the guide, the legend. It's like a guitar with a legend. So syntax is a legend that you have to follow. Okay? As you can see, there are 8 numbers here. You can memorize it. You can memorize. This one is from this one. This 2 is from that one. And so on. Remember this class. This sample is the command. Okay, like dir, cls, echo, append, assign, attribute, break, batch, call, create directory, copy, compare, this, compare, dos, key, dos, shell, echo, edit, edlink, etc. And you can use that in programming, you know, because in programming you can read codes and all the programming languages you can learn because of syntax. Okay, so from here, remember this, start from here until the end. That is what we call parameters. Remember this, parameters. Okay? Sample is the command. The whole is what we call syntax. Okay? And the information you type inside the syntax, the information, remember this, you type inside the syntax is what we call arguments. Arguments, information. Okay? So listen carefully. Sample is the command. The whole thing is syntax. From here until there is parameters, and the information that you key in inside the syntax are the arguments or the information needed to run the code. Okay? Now, I will discuss you the very important in the world of computers. You can, later on you will enjoy it, trust me. And you can enjoy all the programming languages about this one. Okay, syntax. Okay, number one, as you can see, all are in symbol. From here, you have to memorize bracket. Actually, almost only 3, 4, or 5, because this drive and path and file name are the drive letters of the computer from A to Z. The path is the backslash, and the file name is the file name of your hard disk, no? Okay, you will enjoy it. Remember this, every student in the world of computers, in the first day that they come into the school, they should learn syntax, no? And once you learn syntax, you will study on your own. Especially nowadays, we have a lot of Google. You can search in Google everything. Now, remember this. This is very important. Number one, you have to learn is the bracket. So, what is bracket? Okay. Bracket. Okay. Remember this. This is the bracket. Put it in your mind. What is bracket? Indicates an item that is optional. Optional. You can type or not. To include the optional information described within the brackets, type only the information inside the bracket, not the bracket themselves. See? So how you can do that? Bracket. Okay. Remember this. Bracket. Okay. Number one, you have to memorize what is bracket. Okay. Let's say we have command. We have command show me. Okay. So let's say that is your command. You are reading a command, show me, and I am a programmer. Then I put on my program, in order for them to type my code, in order for them to follow my code, they have to follow my syntax. They have to follow my syntax. Apologize for my English. I'm not a good English speaker. Okay, show me, let's say you are a programmer and you are doing your syntax, so the student can learn. So I will type here vegetables. Okay. So the command is show me, and inside the bracket is vegetable, not vegetable oil. It will become syntax error. Okay, according to what we read, it says that syntax is optional. So you can, what are the code that you can build or you can make in this simple syntax? Okay. On that syntax, like what I told you, the show me is the command. The whole command is the syntax, and we need an information, an argument that we're going to pass on the syntax. So how many commands you can type on that? Okay. Number one is show me. Show me. So it will run. Because the bracket is optional. You can type or not. Then show me what? The bracket is asking about vegetables. So you have to type carrots. Okay? So show me carrots. Show me, this is how you run that command. Show me cabbage. Show me dog. That is a syntax error. This is wrong. Because it's not asking about the dog. It's asking about vegetables. So in this simple command or a simple syntax, you can type how many vegetables in the world. Now, see? Let's say we have, I don't know in Google how many types of vegetables, or how many the family of the vegetables. So let's say it is we have 5,000 vegetables, for example. Type or what, I don't know if it's exaggerated or not. I told you. Meaning, from that show me, okay, listen carefully, okay, listen carefully. Syntax is this one. Show me, then followed by vegetables. Okay. Oh, my screen is very good. Okay. Okay. So okay. Again. Okay. From here, okay. My class, listen carefully. You must learn first reading syntax, the bracket. What is inside the bracket? Okay. The command is show me. And I'm doing my program. Then how they can use my program as a programmer? So they have to follow my syntax. So they have to follow what? Show me animal. So I put here show me animal. So meaning, you can type show me dog. Show me cat. Because you have to give the information inside the bracket. Okay? So let's say the syntax is like this. Syntax document. Show me, and you have bracket, animal, and comma, and there is dog here, comma, okay, and there is animal dog shoes here, comma, and So meaning, optional, you can type either show me dog. You can type like that because it is optional. If I remove the bracket later on, so we just focus on show me dog, show me animal dog, comma, why it is dog. So you give a name to the bulldog. It's the name of the dog. Okay? And it's asking about shoes, so Adidas. So that's how you run the command. Show me dog, bulldog, Adidas. Then you can choose show me animal, show me cat, show me Chihuahua, show me Nike. Okay, you understand now? Show me animal, cat. What's the name of cat? Persian cat. Oh, this one is a Nike. Oh. See? Oh. Okay, so you understand now this. You understand now the bracket. I'll give you another example. Okay. Bracket again. Listen carefully. The command is show me. And show me which show me what are those of the cars. Okay. Say show me car. See? So you are going to type show me Toyota. I'm not advertising Toyota. Show me Kia. Show me. And because the bracket is optional, I told you. Don't type the bracket, just read what the program is trying to give you an information how you use the command. Okay? So if you show me, then while you are running, you type show me cat. That is a syntax error. Syntax error. Why it is syntax error? Because the programming is asking about cars. It's not asking about cat. Okay? Okay. I hope you understand the bracket now. Okay? That's why on top you can see there's a lot of bracket here. There's optional, there is tribe, optional, you can type or not, you can type only fat. As you can see here, file name, do not have bracket, meaning it is a must. See? It is mandatory. You need to type. If there is no symbol, mandatory. Some other programs, they use less than and greater than symbol as a mandatory. This three, that is the ellipsis. Okay, continue. Okay, let's continue our lesson. Listen carefully. I told you this is the most important thing to learn by those students around the world in computer school. They want to become expert in programming. Okay, I'm not an expert actually. Okay, but we can learn. Teach yourself. Okay, this is how you improve yourself. Everybody can improve himself. Okay, next is the split vertical bar. What is a split vertical bar? So it says here, the split vertical bar, it is in your keyboard on top of the enter right side, near on top of the backslash. No? It separates two mutually exclusive choices in a syntax line, as shown in the following example. It says two, but it's not true. Depends on the programming. Separate two mutually conclusive choices. Because sometimes there are 10 mutually choices, 10, 5, but it's split in the split by the bracket. Especially in MySQL, there's a lot of bracket. See, bracket. Where's bracket? This one inside. Okay, as you can see, it separates two words, on and off. So meaning, you cannot type break on off. You cannot type break off on. See? Okay. Listen carefully. The split vertical bar. Split vertical bar can find on top of the enter in your keyboard. On top of backslash. See? Okay. So split vertical bar. Remember this class. If you see an split vertical bar in syntax, let's say echo on off. What are the commands that you need to type? What? How do you run the command? How can I run that echo on bracket off? So meaning you can type echo because optional. The bracket is optional, you can type or not. The other one is echo on. Correct. This is correct. Echo on. Another one is echo off. You cannot type. Remember this. You cannot type them both. That is the rule of the split vertical bar. You cannot type echo on off. You cannot type echo of on. That is wrong. Wrong. Okay. Understand? Okay. I hope you understand. I will give you another example. Okay. Another example of the split vertical bars like this. Let's say I'm a programmer. How the users can run my code. So I will type here break. This is my command break. How they can learn my code. So I put here break on off. Yes, no, true, false, bracket. So how you can run that one? So you cannot run break on off, yes, no, true, false. And you cannot run break on, break yes, cannot. Remember this? Because it is not separated by the bracket. So you can only type break, break on, break off. That is the rules. Break yes, break no, break false, break true. That's it. One by one. But if the syntax is like this, see the difference, huh? If type a break, and this one is on, split vertical off. Okay. And type here split vertical yes. Split vertical, no. And try split vertical again. With here, true. Split vertical, false. See? So, how do you run the command? How do you run the command on top? Okay, it changed to pink. This one, how we can run this? Remember, there are split vertical bar here. See? There are split vertical bar here, 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 and here. Not that one. In between on and off. Okay. How we can run this? Use your IQ. Okay, so we can run this break on. Yes, true. Yeah, you can run that break. Yes, no, and false. You can run like that. Meaning, you have a choice. You cannot run. You cannot like that, like this. Break on, off. Yes, no, true, false. Cannot. That is a syntax error. Okay? The split vertical bar separate the command. It separate limits the command. Only you can type on. Okay? You understand now? Read it carefully. Okay? Say separate two mutually, because here two only, but in some, like what I told you, in some programmers a lot. Separate two mutually exclusive choices in syntax line, as shown in the following example. Break on, off. That's why better to give you an example on a live. Okay, so from here, let's clear screen. Remember this class. You type help in your command prompt, and you will see all these commands. In programming, it's same like this. We have a lot of commands. Okay, let us choose one. Let's choose X directory. Directory / question mark. Remember this class. Every command in those you need to put / question mark. In Linux, command followed by help. In Linux. But in Windows, / question mark. Directory / question mark. Enter. Oh my God. I'm dying, but I never type all the commands of the IR. I never complete this. I always type only the IR in +P to post, something like that. Because you are in Teach Yourself, so you have to teach yourself to learn all of this, no? So that's why here, the IR is the command. It's asking for a drive. It's not asking for a car. See? So you have to type A to Z. Optional, you can type or not. But usually the backslash of your PC, A / Windows, C / this is the file name. What are these? There is slash A, or meaning slash AD, you can type slash AD, AH, AS. What is this colon? You can type slash A colon D, because you are following the syntax with the attribute, and this is the attribute, and these are all the switches in syntax, slash B, slash C. That is the last part of my picture. The switches you need to remember. So it is very easy now to learn. I never run all this command in my life, especially. So you understand now, class. You can type slash AD because you understand now this syntax. This O, this T, colon, time field, followed by sort order, slash O. What is the sort order here? Slash ON, slash colon N, slash OE, slash OG, slash colon G, because it's asking about colon here. You see? You understand? Now you can understand all of this. Drive path finally specify the drive directory and path to the list. So meaning, you can type directory C / Windows / system 32 / calculator .exe. I don't know if there is. Oh yeah, there is. And if you type calc, it will run because that is exe, executable. Okay. So now, if you return to dir /question, remember this. Remember what I told you. All this help, you just put /question and you will understand how to use it. Let's say echo. You see there is echo here. Echo. A, B, C, D, E, echo. You type echo /question. All this, recover /question, rem /question, rename, replace /question, all are /question. Then you can learn your own. You can teach yourself. See, echo. Oh, what you saw? I saw a split vertical bar here. So what is the rules? I can type echo because bracket you can type or not, optional. About messages, trillion, quintillion of messages, because that's a combination of A to Z. Say echo. Echo is on. Echo is /question, echo on. If I echo off, it will remove the C. No more C drive. You cannot understand. Where am I in my directory? Then you cry. No, don't cry. Just echo on. Because that is the rules. About messages, that's the combination of A to Z, 0 to 1. I don't know how. A, B, A, C, A, D, A, Z. Especially you can use question mark also. And you can use asterisk as question mark as a wildcard. Especially, let's say you are in Windows, cd Windows system /system directory *exe /w/p enter. Windows system /exe don't have cd system 32 exe file. See, all these are exe file. See, all exe. Control C break, it's too long. You see, I want only start in F, so you type F asterisk /p to pause. See, it's pausing. See? Yeah, it's pausing because why is it, why you run pausing? Those commands start with fx s asterisk. Those are wildcards. But we are not talking about wildcard. We just give you an example that I can die in this world. I never completed the dir command. That's what I'm trying to point out. Because of this. I don't know. There are commands like that. Yeah, your teacher can run dir. He will give you the /p. But behind that, he knew the syntax. That's why you're thinking, oh, how he knew all those commands? Huh? No. That's the use of syntax. They are /ad all directory. See, these are directory because in syntax it says ad is directories. Oh, yeah, directories. But in syntax there is colon /ad. So colon meaning you can type colon. Optional, you even though you didn't type colon, it will run also. Really? Yeah, you try /a colon d. Oh, try. dir /a colon d. Oh, see, the same thing happen. Oh, because you understand now the syntax. So D is the drive, C colon /, then all this a lot. You can do a combination of all these /ad, H, S, L, R, I. See, like that, like the dog, like the cat, vegetables. You can type thousands of vegetables, but you cannot finish in 1 hour the vegetables, I think, in this world. Okay, so I hope you understand now the use of bracket and split vertical bar. Okay, now we will return to our lesson. Okay, so if you have question, you can comment, type a comment what part in this syntax you want me to explain more. Okay, number 4 is the drive, path, file name. These are normal, but the important thing, they are inside the bracket. You can type drive of A to Z, drive, but normally that is /. You can read this page. Okay, I give you already the link. And another one, 7, ellipsis. This is ellipsis. This is very important. All are important actually, but you have to memorize all those. Okay, ellipsis. If you saw an ellipsis, the 3 full dot, the horizontal 3 dot, indicates that the previous parameter or switch can be repeated several times in the command. Type only the information, not the ellipsis itself. Meaning, like what I told you about the parameter. I told you about the parameter just now. Meaning you can repeat the whole parameter, 1,000, 100. Okay, so it depends on you. See, and how we can use that in our lesson. How we can use that ellipsis. Okay, this ellipsis, meaning it is clearly said that you can repeat the whole parameters. So in syntax there are ellipses here. So meaning you can repeat the whole parameters. The part of the parameters, it's up to you. Okay? Meaning drive, directory, path, file name, semicolon, path. I will give you an example. This is the live example of that. Right. Let's say path. Here is path. Like what I told you. Type slash question mark. Path slash question mark. Displays or set search path for executable files. Meaning all the exe files around the globe in your inside your computer. Let's say your it's become global. You can use everywhere. Let's say you are in drive C, but your command in drive E. Once the drive E is on path, you can no need to go on E directory to run the command. You can type here in C. So from A to Z, if the command is in drive A and it is in path, you can type it. When you are in drive C, D, E, F, G until Z, it will run. It will become globally accessible. Okay? That's why, as you can see here, we have the ellipses here, and there is a semicolon. Because when you run this command, it should be path. Why bracket asking for a drive? So you type C, a drive, C to Z. You can type 3 to Z, okay? Or A to Z. A to Z. But you have to choose only one. Those drive A, drive C, colon. So you finish the first syntax, the first parameter. What is the next parameter? Path. Path stands for backslash. Okay? Usually the path, where can I find? In Linux, slash. C, backslash. Semicolon. Enough. That is enough. So all your command in type C, it will run. But there is dot. So I can type D again. Path D, path C, A, B, C, D, E, path E, backslash, semicolon, path F, until Z, colon, backslash. See, you can read now. That's the command. Let's make it complicated. Because on the syntax there's no file name actually. There's no folder. But the syntax should be like this. There is a drive. It's asking for a drive. Okay. I'm not telling the syntax is wrong. But you can improve it. Because you are a programmer, you want others to learn how to read your code. Semicolon, dot. So there should be a file name here. Like that. Or a folder. Let's do it first, the folder. That's the folder. Yeah, like that. And file name. Oh, dot, semicolon. Okay, path, backslash, folder. Okay, that, or actually it's not a file name. It should be folder. Sorry, folder, subdirectory, or subdirectory. Like that. Because it's mostly the one we use in path is subdirectory. Okay, and the one with the percent path, meaning that's how you can access the path in variables set inside the computer. The important thing, you can understand now how to run the path command because of the syntax. So you can type path. Okay, I will type now path C : backslash program file backslash Java backslash bin, and let's say like that, the binary. I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue our lesson. Okay. Yeah, I'm using OBS recording. Okay, now you understand the path. Someone just now is calling me. Okay, you understand now the ellipses. Okay, ellipses, you can complete all the parameters. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you the use of ellipses. Yeah. Okay. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3. Ellipses in syntax. Why? Sorry, it's wrong. Ellipsis 3. Ellipsis is 3 dots. Okay, in reading syntax. So let's say you are a programmer, you want others to read again your code and they understand how to run it. Okay, show me. You are a programmer, I want them to show me animals continuously separated by comma. So you type animals separated by semicolon, dot. Oh, you do like this. Oh, animals like that. Then semicolon, dot. So meaning you can repeat the whole parameters. Okay, like what I told you. Listen carefully. This is the whole syntax. Sorry, it should be rectangle. So press control. Okay, so that is my first lesson. This is the whole syntax. Okay, and this is the whole parameters, and these animals and the dot are the arguments or the information you need to type. Okay, so how you run the command? IQ, pause for a minute, chika a minute, how to use it, okay? So if you have an IQ, okay, so show me, or logic, you have a logic in yourself, show me how to run this one. Animals, dog, cat, cow. Do not type carrots, that is error. carrots. Syntax error because you are typing vegetables. You're doing animals, lion, until the end of time. Infinite. As long as the space of your command allow you to type that. See? Understand now? You can repeat the whole parameter. Or so any question? So another example again like this. So if the command is become vegetable, show me vegetables. I put split vertical there and dog. So meaning you cannot combine these two because I put a split vertical bar. So vegetables and followed by dot dot dot. So you can type a lot of vegetables, but I have to limit you that you cannot combine vegetable to the dogs or animals. That's why I'm putting a split vertical bar here. Okay, I'm telling you, do not combine the vegetable with the dog. So as a programmer, I'm doing the program. I'm teaching you to type the command. That's why you have to teach yourself. So I don't want you to type vegetable and dog. So I put here animals. Okay. Followed by that. And followed by ellipse. So how to run this command? Oh, show me. You can choose either of the two, either animals or vegetable. I type here carrots, tomato, vegetable, yeah, tomato, tomato, cabbage, cucumber, etc. That's the command. And then another, you can type show me animals, dog, cat, lions, and because of the ellipses, you can repeat the whole parameter. Understand? I hope you understand. Okay? You can repeat the whole parameter. But if I did not put the split vertical bar here, if I didn't put the split vertical bar here, the arrow. If I did not put the split vertical bar there, you can type, you can combine those two. Yeah, you can combine. Like this. I'll show you. Let's say we deleted that split vertical bar. So the command should be in deleted. Imagine I delete the split vertical bar. So the command should be show me dog, cat, lion. You can combine cabbage, carrots, eggplant, cat. Yeah, it will run because that's the rules. You can combine all of them. If the syntax is like this, show me vegetables. Yeah, I'm asking you to show me the vegetable. I'm not asking you to show cat or try to show animal. So I can allow you to repeat the command. So animals. So you will notice I remove the split vertical bar. Okay, so I give you a live demo of this one. Is the path command. This is the environment variable of Windows. You can type. There's a lot of this. Because you can echo, show the message on path. Okay. So you see, you can repeat all. See, program by Microsoft bin semicolon. See. There's a lot. See, until here the semicolon. So meaning from here, I remember this, the command is part. So from here until here is one syntax, the complete syntax with the parameter, the complete parameter, sorry. So that is the complete parameters. So where is the another one? So you have to repeat again. See Windows, see program files. See, from here repeat again. We can repeat it again, repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat the parameter, because see Windows until here. Again, it should be rectangle, press control. See semicolon. These are the parameters because of the dot. See? So you can find that command. Actually, no need for you to clear screen. That is in sysdm.cpl. That is in your Windows environment. So you can, if you type it will add path in that. So but you are in Windows, so you click here advanced and click the environment variables, and you see this path. You can, these are all the path. Okay. 32, those are the environment variables. You can add new here, adding path, but you can add also in DOS. You can add also in command line. Okay, because that is the path command. Slash question mark, display or set a search bar. See? Okay. But in format, because you just type help, there is a format command here. Okay, this one, format this for use in Windows. Now you are formatting your A drive, C drive, format slash question mark, and you will see all of this syntax. As you notice here, there is no symbol here. There is no symbol in volume. So meaning, without symbol, remember this class, it is a mandatory, it is a must. You have to type the volume, the drive. Okay? But now you can understand all of this. Format C, or not the do not format your C drive normally. That is your window. Format your USB. Let's say format E, format F/FS : file system. Oh, what is : file system? So you review. What is file system? No, so you see there is a list file system. So meaning slash format C, format E, the drive or the volume, /FS : NTFS. See? That's how you can run this command, because you know already how to read the syntax. See? So if you try to exercise yourself to understand this volume, specify the drive later. So meaning, so the command should be like this: format volume E drive, format E /FS : do not type file system here. Your teacher will be angry to you. Why the file system? That is syntax. The meaning, you look for the meaning of the file system. So, what are those file system? These are the file system: path, file allocation table, NTFS, network file system, UDF, and REFS. I don't know that. You can Google. Okay. So there are part 32, part 6, part 32, and 30. Okay, so continue reading. So you can type here NTFS /B colon label my CD-ROM, my USB. It's asking for the label /Q quick mabilisan /L what is the state, United States. No. You look for the meaning of the state here. These are the state. Should be NTFS only overrides the default as the file record. L enable forces format. So L followed by the state. Disable and enable. Okay. So all of this will become not new to you. You will understand all this now because of the syntax. Okay. Okay, go back to my magic paper. This is my magic. This is my important paper. That's why I'm telling you. Sometimes the people ignore, but once you find it very useful, it become gold. I told you, find the truth behind this page, behind this picture actually. And this is, now you find the gold in it. Okay, so options are the /W/P. Those are what we call switches. Okay, switches, I told you already. In switches, those /P, I see /P here. There is /P here, switches. /P, /W, A, B, C, D, up to Z. It depends, /W, P, it depends on the programmer. How they are trying to teach you actually how to use their command. Okay, /PW. So those are what we call options. And here you can see I add 9. Actually, only drive path file name is very common. Only you have to remember only the command, the bracket, the split vertical bar, the ellipsis, and this mandatory. Sometimes they put less than or greater than symbol. In Kotlin, you need to put less than or greater than, but that's mandatory for the objects for an array. Okay, so anything? Now you understand how to read the syntax. I will give you some command. Alright. Let's see, clear the screen. You type how to run this command prompt. Press window R. Start. Okay, let's continue our tutorial. Okay, someone is calling me again. So this okay. So as a summary, okay class, as a summary of our tutorial, you have to, as a summary, you have to learn the now you learn the use of bracket. Okay, split vertical bar, so the use of bracket, the use of bracket, the use of split vertical bar, the ellipsis, those mandatory, without a symbol, the slash switches, the switches followed by slash P, slash WP, slash WP, depends. It depends on the command. It depends on the programming languages that you are reviewing actually. Okay? Slash W, slash X, whatever. It depends on the syntax they are asking you. Okay? So that is the, so meaning what is inside the bracket is only one. That's the only one we're going to type. Show me animals, comma, cars, dogs. You can type show me. It depends, because in the syntax is stated that you can use animals in the command. See, yeah, I can use separate by comma. So show me animals, not animals. Sorry, show me dog, followed by cars, Toyota. And there is dog. Okay, the bulldog, the name of the dog. See? So it depends. It depends on the syntax. So show me animals, comma, vegetables, cars. So you should follow the information inside. So if you didn't follow that one, syntax error. But if you put like this, animals, dog, that is different. The command, the previous command is different from this one. Animals, vegetables, What is the difference of the two? From here you can separate it by comma. There is a difference. I see animal, vegetables, and cars. Okay. Let's see the logic. Let's see our IQ. Last time I put like this, right? Animals, vegetable, cars. So what is the difference between the two? There is a difference. There's a big difference. Because in the first command you can type show me dog only. Show me dog, show me. In the first command, okay, the first syntax, I'm telling you the one with the bracket. Let's exercise yourself. Show me what? Dog, correct, comma, carrot, okay, comma, cars, Kia, correct, the first syntax. The second, show me dog, carrot, Kia. But you see, in the second syntax, you need to type the animals, vegetable, cars separated by comma. You cannot type in the. You cannot type here in here. You cannot type here. Show me dog only. Okay. So this one is syntax error. Show me dog. This is a syntax error. Syntax error here. That is syntax error because it's looking for a comma followed by vegetable and car. But here This one is correct. This one is correct syntax because the dog is separated by the bracket here. See the difference? Okay. So easy for you now. Now next, summary. I hope you understand. Summary. Next is the split vertical bar. Okay. So the command is show me cat split vertical bar. Show me animals. I want people show me animals to me, but I do not want them to combine with the vegetable. That my command. So I put a bracket. I put a split vertical, and they can type now separate the vegetable. I do not want people to, let's say I'm a programmer, I do not want somebody to type my command combined with the cars. So I want them only show me cars. So how you run that command? Show me cat. So how many animals we have in the world? You can use the command. Simple command with 1,000 meaning. The other one, show me vegetable or cabbage. This is correct. Show me Kia. This is correct. But if you type show me cat and cars, that is a syntax error. Why? Because the programmer is asking only you to type the either animal, vegetable, and cars. Why? Because of this limiter. The limit limits the command, meaning you have to choose only one. Okay? Understand? Okay. Focus now in ellipsis. Dot ellipsis. What I told you, you can repeat all the parameters, whatever you like, until the end of the word, until the end of your keyboard. If your system, you reach the command. So stop. I show you the fat command already, right? So let's say I'm a programmer. I want them to show me. They can repeat my animals with a comma. I want the user, so I will put here. So meaning they can repeat my animals. Cat, semicolon, dog, animal, cat, dog, cow, lion. That is the syntax. Until you cannot type anymore. I don't know if they can limit you. I think maybe. Depends on how long is the memory of the. I never encounter any limit in path. It's up to you. But you. So the important thing is you understand now. Okay? But show me cars. Semicolon, dot. I can do like that. Okay? So, but this one is better. Comma. I want them to type also cars combination of animals. So I put here dot dot dot. If I put in between cars and animals split vertical bar, you cannot combine. Okay? Show me Kia, car, dog, Toyota, cat. So it is working. See? Okay. So now you understand this golden paper of mine. It's like learning a guitar. Okay? So, what is the importance of this to learn syntax? The important thing here is you can learn all the programming language. Like in Key Basic, you see, this is the one that the teacher can teach to their student how to read the syntax. They can simply say, okay, if A is greater than 10, then do like this, else if then. They have to teach this syntax to the student, so the student can manipulate the syntax. If the teacher is not teaching you syntax, they are not a good teacher. See? Actually, we are in the business world. Because I have a student, I teach syntax only 1 week. I teach the secret of Excombat directory. And he left my school. Because he can learn, he can teach himself. See? So now you see, once you learn this programming, you can read the Java, you can read all the syntax of Java. See? They're asking about URL, so you type HTTP or string target. So what are those strings? So you have to read, they explain it to you. Request that the browser or applet viewer show the web page included the URL argument. URL, show document. HTTPS facebook.com, that's the complete URL. So it depends on show document. See? You can understand now all of this. He's asking about your name. You have to type any name, any URL. Okay? Because you understand now. So another, you can understand all this. See, if condition, if A is equal to 10, you type condition, then exit, continue, break, else if, then you put another condition there, then break, else, and execute. So these are the syntax. In Oracle, in MySQL, all the programming languages, in PHP, you see. In PHP, if you read the fragments, this is how you search string. You want to search only telephone number. You want to search only, that is formatting pattern. See, fragment is string pattern. So you review the pattern. Every programming languages, there is a syntax to follow. Now you can learn all of this. It depends on you now how to teach yourself which programming language you are going to master. Okay? You can read all now. Python, Java, Script, PHP. See, this is the pattern. Fragments, A, B, C, D, and F. So it's looking only for letters with D, E, and F. How about in you can learn also Linux because they are using the same syntax. So you can understand all of this. This change group in Linux. CH group option. What are the options? You review all the options here. Change group, the name of the group, and their file. So you can understand all of this now. Okay. Even C, C++, C#, all of them are using syntax. Now, you are now become familiar in all this command. See? Like in Visual Basic. Message box from. Message box, hello world, button. You can type comma, BBOK, it will give you OK button with the title, my message. You click, go to that help file, message box visual. See? So, easy for you now to become a programmer because you understand those symbols. Okay? Remember that. Remember this. You have to memorize all this. Without understanding the syntax, you're nothing in computer world. But I mean, those students in school, you need to learn syntax to make you grow, to improve yourself. You can teach yourself now anything you want. So in my next video, I will show you the MySQL syntax. We will go inside the MySQL and reading those syntaxes. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for my viewers and listeners. I will end my tutorial now. Thanks so much. So be happy in coding. God bless us all. God Yeshua Hanasi Bimlek Ayuding.